Alright, listen up folks. If you've ever opened your bank app and thought, where did all my money go? You're not alone. And guess what? I've got a special treat for you today. Click the link in the description below for your exclusive discount on EveryDollar. Seriously, don't miss it. Now let's talk about EveryDollar, the budgeting app that's about to be your new financial BFF. First things first, EveryDollar is super beginner friendly. If you can tap your phone, you can use it. Pinky promise. After you sign up, you'll land on the dashboard. Here's where the magic happens. Start by entering your income. Got a side hustle? Pop that in too. The more honest you are, the less your wallet will surprise you later. Pause and smirk. Next up, expenses. Break it down. Rent, food, Netflix binges, those cheeky takeaway nights, add 'em all. EveryDollar even gives you categories so you don't forget that sneaky coffee habit. Now here's the fun bit. You get to assign every pound and penny a job until you hit zero. That's called zero-based budgeting. It basically means you're the boss and your money works for you, not the other way round. And EveryDollar isn't just a pretty face. It tracks your spending in real time so you always know where you stand. Did you go overboard on Friday night? EveryDollar will gently nudge you back on track. Pause and laugh. And if you're feeling fancy, upgrade to the paid version to link your bank accounts. No more manual entry, just pure budgeting bliss. But here's the real kicker. Sticking to a budget doesn't mean you're missing out. It just means you're telling your money what to do, so you can enjoy more of what you love, guilt-free. So if you're ready to stop guessing and start winning with your money, click that link in the description for your special offer on EveryDollar. Treat yourself, and your bank account will thank you later. All right, budget boss, go grab your discount and unlock your budgeting potential today.